Hi, I'm Ms. Gina Ong, and I'll be presenting to you my Module 2 assignment. So here is the requirement for my module, cloud databases. So I'll be using the official sites for the readings of the materials. It's Google Firebase and then Amazon DynamoDB and MongoDB. So I choose the Google Firebase in doing this cloud database. I also look for the meaning what cloud database is and watch the tutorials and also watch and read the tutorials and also I also use the AI setting up a Firestore database. And these are the requirements for the module. So I'll create a database using a cloud service for my program. And so I use the Firebase. And then I will demonstrate the ability to insert, modify, delete, and retrieve or query data, which is the basic requirements for this module. And I choose the receive notification in the software and data in the cloud changes as my additional requirements. So let's proceed now with the presentation of my work. So first, of course, I create the Firebase database. And so I was able to download the security key here. And so this is the security key. And after that, I use the git.ignore to ignore the to-do app.json. So I already renamed the JSON file for the security key. And so to prevent from having a hard time pushing the project, we need to ensure that the JSON file for the security key will not be saved in the public repository. So we write this comment about the to-do app.json file for the security key. And so let's proceed now with the to-do app.file. Right. So this is the first one that I did. So import Firebase admin from Firebase underscore import credential files. So first I write the code for loading the to-do app. So it is written as cred equals credentials that certificate to-do app.json. Firebase initialize app cred database of DB equals parser.client and then print Firebase connected successfully. So let's save this and let's check if it's working. So let's have a new terminal. So let's run this and we will see if the code is successful. So this will be printed, the Firebase connected successfully. So let's check it again if it will work. Right, here it is. So the terminal was ready. And so let's check. Okay, so I already have added the files here. So that's why when I run it now, all of the things that I added and the right code was already here. And so and then next is I do the demonstration of the ability to add data. And these are the code for it. So let me uncomp this part to check if it's working. Okay. Save. Let's run. Okay. So also the notifications, let's already that new task added here. And calling the function for adding tasks so that we could have tasks in the database. So here is the task. So we use the dictionary of the ICT for listing the tasks. Okay, so here it is, adding and listing the tasks. So let's run it. Okay, so that is the task. Next is for reading the task. So let's save it. So here are the tasks. That has been added. Okay. Next is the function to pick the work or task or the high priority tasks. So let's do this. That's one. So there it is. So the step was where the new tasks added for the notifications. And these are the things that are added tasks, the school tasks. These are the things that are high priority. So for this and for the notifications. So here is the function for notifications. So we use the def on snapshot. So let me call it. Okay, suppose the terminal input. For so let's add it for let's save it. So here is the code for the notification. It starts here. So def snapshot. So we use that. We also use the import time. So we added the import and library in Python. So here it is. So we will run it. Let's check. So see that the notification has been displayed in the terminal. So it's new tasks added because there are tasks that added in the and for my readme.md. So these are the things that I did. So I populate the read.md. So still I don't have the video because I'm just recording it. So the development environment I use is Python. Okay, VS Code, GitHub, GitHub, Cloud Database, Firebase, Admin SDK, PowerShell. I also use the PowerShell because of the errors that I encountered. I use it. And these are the things that I need to work. So item one, I will use symbols for the print statement. Create two or more tables that is related to each other. I will implement user authentication. So these are the websites that help me to do this. And I also ask the AI ChatGPT every time I encounter error. So Firebase, HTTPS Firebase that will laptop, Asia HTTPS, and Asia that are really. So that's all. Thank you for watching.